Students will start the simple interest chapter that is in exercise 9a. Now first we'll go with the first questions. Okay, before that I'll provide you the formulas which you'll be using in this exercises. Okay, so I'll give you that one. So according to that you can solve it. Okay, I'll just solve some of the questions which are like related with the all the other questions. Understood? Now we'll start with the first question, that is find interest and amount in rupees 750 in 3 years 4 months at 10% per annum. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है, rupees 750 in 3 years. That means it is started in the 750. So that means when if something is started by the first money, that is called the principal. Okay. So whenever something is started with the first money, that is called the principal. जिस तरह से आप कोई चीज स्टार्ट कर रहे हो या तो किसी को लोन दे रहे हो, ठीक है किसी तरह से आपको लोन दे रहे हो, लोन देने से क्या होता है, एक इंटरेस्ट पड़ता है. तो इंटरेस्ट लाइक 1 month 2 months 3 months, ठीक है, उसके लिए आपका 10%, मतलब हर एक महीने में आपको 10 रुपए करके देना है. जिस तरह से आप 750 है तो 10% करके देना, ऐड होते जाएगा. ठीक है, द ईयरली और मंथली, 3 महीने 4 महीने 5 महीने. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द principal. So when you give a person, if you give a money, then if you give a money, for an example, if A is asking a money to B, so that means do you want to I need some money for a few days. So that means if A gives a money like 100 rupees, ठीक है, A ने B को दिया तो ये प्रिंसिपल हो गया. ठीक है, जब A ने B को पैसे दिया तो क्या हुआ, ये प्रिंसिपल हो गया. ठीक है, उसको जब इंटरेस्ट में दे रहा, जब बी ने कहा ठीक है मैं एक महीने का फॉर 1 month आई विल टेक इट 10 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा. ओके, फॉर 1 month 10 रुपीज. तो यहाँ पे प्रिंसिपल आ गया, द टाइम इज गिवन एंड द रेट इज ऑल्सो गिवन. सो व्हेन ही विल रिटर्न बैक दिस मनी, सो दैट टाइम ही हैव टू ब्रिंग इट. ओके, फर्स्ट 100 into 10 into 1 by 100. This is the formula. P into R into T by 100. That is an SI formula. Okay, should cancel it. Rupees 10 is your simple interest. तो अमाउंट कितना होगा, तो अमाउंट जब आप रिटर्न कर रहे हो उसको अमाउंट बोलते हैं. ठीक है, जब आप लैंड ले रहे हो तो उसको हम प्रिंसिपल बोलते हैं. ठीक है, जब रिटर्न कर रहे हो इंटरेस्ट के साथ तो हमको क्या बोलते हैं, उसको अमाउंट बोलते हैं. तो क्या 100, तो ये आ गया प्लस इंटरेस्ट, दैट इज फॉर 1 month, दैट इज 110 you have to return back. So this is called the amount. Okay, so as it is, we'll do it. The solution, the first is simple interest equal to P into R into T by 100. That is principal became as a 750 into 10 into 10. How came? Now 3 years 4 months. तो इसको हम लोग ईयरली में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, 3 plus 4 by 12, that means 12 months makes 1 year, right? So if you want to make it a year, it is in the month. So if you want to make it a year, that means 1 by 3 you have to take it, by 12 you have to do, so that means it will convert into a 1 by 3. So 3 plus 1 by 3, if you cancel 4 by 4, if you cancel by 4 table, 4 1 4, 4 3 12. So 3 plus 1 by 3 aa gaya. If you do the LCM and the multiplication, then we'll do it. 3 3 9 plus 3 1 3 1 will come. 3 plus 1 9 plus 1 is 10 10 by 3. So this is how you will convert it. This one, year to months or months to year. Okay, now if you cancel it, 750 into 10 into 10 by 100 into 3. So cancellations of the 0 0 and by 3, if you cancel it according to the table like 750, then it will go by 220 250. So the first interest came by 250. Now the next we'll take it, the amount. The amount में क्या आ रहा है, as we know the amount formula is simple interest plus principal. The interest we have 250 and the principal it is given in the question, that is 750. Okay, and if you add it, तो amount निकालने के लिए हम लोग ऐड करना पड़ेगा simple interest plus principal. So the answer will be 1000. Okay, the first answer solution. Now in this question we see that on what principal will be the simple interest be rupees 7008 in 6 years 3 months at 5% per annum. Find the sum. So यहाँ पे पहले दिया हुआ है, what you have to find it, first we have to find the principal. Okay, you have to find the principal and then the simple interest. The simple interest is given already, B rupees 708 in 6 years 3 months at 5% per annum. So already you know that how to take out of 6 years 3 months, right? So what you have to do, 6 years 3 months. if you do this one, then 6 plus 3 by months means 12 months, makes 1 year. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 6 plus 1 by 4, come here 6 4s are 24 plus 1 by 4, you come here 25 by 4. This is your years, okay, 25 by 4 years. Therefore, the solutions of this question is on what principle? So we have to find the principle. According to the formula, we can take it principal equal to SI into, that is simple interest into 100 by rate into time. So we have already given in the question, that is simple interest. Simple interest given is 7008. 100 is already in the formula. Rate is given is 5%. Okay, so as we seen, according to that solutions to convert 6 years 3 months, that we got 25 by 4. Okay, so in the place of time we can take it 25 by 4. Now as usual, if you convert this fraction and this division into a normal form, so how you do it, that 7008 as usual into 100, but when the denominator will go in the upper side or in the label of this numerator, then it will convert or reverse the value, that 5 into 25, it is a numerator, converts into denominator, and the denominator converts into numerator. Okay, they will reverse their places, okay. So according to that we can cancel the numbers. So 25 4 is 100, 25 5 is 125. Okay, 25 4 is 100, 25 is 125. So we got 4 into 4, it's a 16. 4 into 4 16 by 5. So we'll divide it 16 by 5, because we will not do it, it will be like very big number digits to divide by 5. So that's why we will take it only 16 divide by 5. So we'll take it 5 3 is 15, hence remain 1. 16 minus 5, 15 is a 1, 0 10. Okay, because of the decimal we put here 0, then convert here 0. Okay, so 5 to the 10. So that means we got 3.2 by dividing 16 by 5. Now whatever the numbers we got here, 3.2, that can be divided by 7008. So by multiplication 7008 we got 2 2 4 2 5 6. So as we have the decimal here 3.2, so we can take it ones tens. So the answers directly we can take it ones tens. In the place of that we can put the decimal and we can finalize the answer. Okay, this is the solution of the second question. Now the next question, that is, in what time will be the interest on a certain sum of money at 6% be 5 by 8 of itself. So यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है in what time, so we have to take out a time. Okay, so what time is not given, so time will be the interest on a certain sum of money. So sum is also not, principal is also not given, so that also we have to let. That's why we had seen there, we had let there that the sum of be rupees x, the interest equal to 5x by 8. So the interest जो है उसको हम लोग sum up भी करेंगे, ठीक है. The interest is here, that 5 by 8 is there, so we can take it included with the sum, that is interest equal to 5x by 8, rate equal to 6%, this is already given in the question and the time is given as it is t. Okay, the principal is given as an x, principal we don't know the principal, so we can take it as an assume or the let, that is the principal is x. Now according to the formula of simple interest equal to p into r into t by 100, we can find the time. Okay, simple interest is given here, that is 5x by 8. 5x by 8 is given as in simple interest, and 5x by 8 is given as a simple interest, and the principal is given as an x, and rate is given as 6, and the time is given as t by 100. Right, now what we do here, that we can cancel it either wise, like this side and that side we can cancel it if the same sides, like numerator, we can cancel the numbers if it is cancelled by the same table. So 4 2 is 8, 4 25 is 100. Now the remaining part we can do the multiplication, cross multiplication, that is 2x into 6 into t, that is 2x 12, 2 6 is 12xt, 12xt equal to 125, that is 25 into 5x, that is 125x, the x is common both sides, so cancel that one. So 12t equal to 125, t equal to 25 will go that side, that converts into a divide form, so 125 by 12. So if you divide it this one, 12 10 120 will come, so remaining part is 5. So likewise we can take out the answer as in 10 years 5 months. So this will convert as in years and this will convert as in months. So that is the answer is 10 years 5 months. Now the next question is Mohan lends, udhar mangna. Mohan lends rupees 4,800 to John for 4.5 years and rupees 2,500 to Shyam for 6 years and receives a total sum of rupees 2196 as interest. So that means Mohan when lends to John and to Shyam, for John 4.5 years and for Shyam 6 years, then he receives 2196 as an total sum of the money, right? Interest. Find the rate of percent per annum, it being the same in both the cases. Now for 9/2 years equal to, so we have here, so for 1 year equal to 4,800 into 9/2. Okay, so what we have to take out is, we have to take out the rate of interest, find the rate of interest, rate percent per annum, it being the same in the both the cases. So that means whatever the rate is there, that will be same for the John and for the Shyam. Okay, so as the time is given for one, that means 4.5 years and for the 6 years. Now Mohan lends to John and Shyam for 4.5 years and for Shyam 6 years. Okay, and he lent 4,800 for John and 2,500 for Shyam, and he got the total sum of the interest is 2196. Who got? Mohan got. So what you take out is for 4.5 years what he got again. So that is 9/2 years equal to 4,800. That is for 1 year he got 21,600. Okay, and secondly for 6 years, that is for the John Shyam. This one is for the John and this one is for the Shyam. The 6 years equal to 2,500. Okay, now he gave the money. Now for that interest for the 1 year he got 6,500 into 6. So if you take out 15,000 is your interest. So he got 21,600 and principal, and this 15,000 is the Shyam got. Okay, the John and the Shyam. Now the total for the 1 year is 21,600 plus 15,000. If you add it, then come here 36,600. Okay, the total amount will come out here as in principal of the this one Mohan. Now interest equal to 2,196. So total interest he got in this whole years. So that is 2,196. Now rate, if you take out a rate, the rate will be same. It is as it is said that being the same in both the cases. So that means both the cases the rate of the interest will be same. The rate equal to simple interest into 100 by P into T. This rate, we have to take out a rate. So that means equal to 2,196 into 100 by 36. That interest is given here in the question, that is 2,196. 2,196 into 100 and 296 into 100 and by principal is given here 36,600 into, that is for 1 year. So that is the rate equal to 6 years. Okay, 6. If you cancel this 0, 366 into 6 times, if you will multiply, then will come here 6. Okay, so if you multiply 6 times, then will come here 6%. So the rate is equal to rate is become as a 6% for the Mohan. Okay, for the Mohan when he lent the money to John and Shyam, the rate of the interest will be same for both the cases, that is a 6%. Okay, these are the solutions. The rest of the question is related with this solution, so practice that one and do as in homework as in class. Okay, you can submit by tomorrow. So that is your work.